DigiView's sequential search feature can find a very complex sequence of data spanning multiple frames and fields. When searching protocol data, DigiView provides a powerful sequential search feature. The sequential search is tailored to the details of each decoder or plugin. It also provides skip counts and any search criteria for lengthy partial or exact matches. I will demonstrate a small fraction of this powerful searching mechanism. We have already opened and docked the Search Manager. Click the Edit button to modify the search. The search is currently configured to find any frame whose base ID field is 167. But I want to find one that also contains a specific set of data values, and 1 byte is always changing. I need to know what this changing value is. Since the values are consistent before the changing byte, I will add a match parameter to find the data field value within the same frame. Our first match parameter within the frame is labeled as A. This finds the base ID field of 167. Use the plus button at the bottom of this parameter to add another field match parameter. I will leave the skip set to any, to ignore any non-matching fields. I am looking for a data field with a value of hex 19. Now I will add another parameter, except this time I want to match the very next data field, so I will set the skip option to a specific value. Since I am using a value of 0, the very next field will be examined. I have selected the data field type, and a value of any. This is the data field that changes, so any value is of interest to us. I not only want this particular frame, with this particular data pattern, followed by a changing data field, but I also want the changing field to be followed by a data field of 0. I will add one more parameter to accomplish this. I have now defined a search for the exact sequence I am looking for. As an added benefit, we can choose which search parameter is most important to see when a full match occurs. I am interested in the changing data field in this sequence, so I will choose it by clicking on the push pin icon. When a match occurs, the marker will be placed at this location and this field will be highlighted in the tabular view. Now let's search. By the way, when clicking on the search button, left or right, you can hold the mouse button down to repeat the search. Right-click, and hold. Left-click, and hold. When the search is configured for center as mine was, the search will begin from whatever your position in the data is. This is just a small example, but, from this, you should be able to imagine being able to find very complex patterns involving multiple frames, fields, and unknowns. This concludes our sequential search demonstration.